Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Today I'm making Irish stew, and last week I put a post out on Facebook and gave you a choice between a traditional Irish stew or a modern version of Irish stew. And the feedback I got was 50-50 for both recipes, so I'm going to go with the modern version, but I will include a recipe down below for just the traditional version as well. This is a really nice recipe, it's full of flavour, and there's some extra herbs in this that you wouldn't put into a traditional version. So to get started, heat a pan with some olive oil or some rapeseed oil. I've got about a tablespoon here, and it's nice and hot. I've got my lamb here and it's cut into nice big chunks, and I use lamb shoulder. It's the best meat to use because there's a nice bit of fat in it and it doesn't cook really quickly, and that's what we want in our stew. So I'm going to get some of that in there. I'm going to brown this now in 2 stages. This is ready now, so I'm going to remove it from the pan. By browning the lamb, you get more flavour in your stew. Get that all in there. And add the remainder of the lamb. And allow this to brown as well before removing it from the pan. My second batch of lamb is ready. Nice and brown. Add it in there. Alright, that's great. Set this to one side. Get a little bit more oil. And into here we're going to add in our vegetables. Some onions roughly chopped. Celery. My celery was in the freeze, so it looks a little bit different to the fresh one. And carrots, and cut them nice and chunky too. I'm going to cook these now for a couple of minutes, for about 4 to 5 minutes. My vegetables are ready now. Before I add the meat back in, I add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. You could use a little bit of Guinness, red wine, or a bit of stock either. And I like to deglaze the bottom of the pan. You've got lots of lovely caramelised pieces of meat down there, and you want to just get them all into your stew. Alright, so I'm going to add back in my lamb. Give it a good mix together. Nice and colourful. Now for some herbs, I've got a bay leaf, add that in. Some parsley, some thyme, and rosemary. Mix all that together. Great. I've got a litre of lamb stock here. You could use beef either. And I love these stock jelly pots, so I'm going to add one of these too. I'm going to bring this to the boil now. This has come to the boil now, and I'm turning down the temperature just to simmer it. If you've got some baby potatoes, you can sit them in this and just push them down into your stew, or some peeled potatoes either. I have some here that I've cut into slices. This is how I like to serve it. And I just sit them on top like that and layer them. So just go around the whole way like that. It's a nice way to present it. These are 1 centimetre slices, so they're not really thick. Of course, you could serve some extra potatoes with this, mashed potato, some brown bread. I've got a lovely recipe for Kilcannon, nice Irish Kilcannon with cabbage and butter and onion in it. And you could serve that with this as well. And that's it, doesn't it look lovely? To finish off, I'm going to just brush them with a little bit of melted butter. That's perfect. This is ready for the oven now. I'm just going to put the lid on it. You've got 2 options for cooking this. You can do it nice and low and slow, which I'm going to do, and I'll include the temperatures. And you could also cook it on a higher temperature as well, and it'll take less time. So I'll include all the temperatures in the recipe. 10 minutes before I'm due to take this out, I'm going to remove the lid so my potatoes get nice and golden in colour. So let's get this into the oven now. Here it is everyone, all done. My twist on a traditional Irish stew. Smells wonderful. Looks really good as well. I'm going to finish off with a little sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley. The colour that adds to my Irish stew is just beautiful. Perfect dish for St. Patrick's Day. Now all that's left to be done is for us to get some out onto a plate so you can see what it's like. Okay, let's get some of this. Oh, look at that. Beautiful colours. Gorgeous. And this stew traditionally isn't thickened. Lovely stock there. And all that lovely lamb, carrots, celery. Beautiful. Good hearty lamb stew there. I'm going to try this now. Let's have a little bit of the lamb. That's really tender and beautiful. Gorgeous. Carrots, they're lovely and sweet and nice and soft too. That is so good. Tastes from that Irish stew are just delicious. All the lovely herbs in there, the celery and lovely lean lamb. Beautiful vegetables. That is so delicious. There you have it. That's my take on Irish stew, traditional but with a little twist. What do you think? Would you try it this way or stick to the classic? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with a friend and hit the follow for more Scrummy recipes. Happy St. Patrick's Day everyone. See you next time.